Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Tech video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the speed of a video in CapCut. So let's get right into it. If you want to open your CapCut app and you want to change the speed of one of your videos. So for example, I have a video here which I had already saved. If you want to start a new project, you can do that, but I'm going to just go ahead and open this one to show you what we're going to do here. So this is an existing video that I have on my device, and we want to change the speed for this. So when we play this, obviously like it goes to normal speed. Now just pause that, and you're going to want to just tap on the whole video preview here down below so that it is completely selected. And then what you're going to notice is there's a menu down here now that speed is included. You're going to tap on speed, and once you tap on speed, you're going to see there's a curve or normal option. Just tap on normal again, and after you do that, you'll be able to notice that you have the option to adjust the speed and then save it from there. You'll tap the check mark, and there you'll notice the speed now is much quicker than it was before. So hopefully that helps you guys. If it does, feel free to like this video, and have a great day. Take care.